my parking spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging them. Got my heart, no barging in. From the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up. Break you in, then break you out. In the end, we gon' make a child. Then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2, we don't need no pause. You with Misty, we gon' get tipsy. Don't need a power shot.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars when I copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars when I copy my steel.
Got my heart, no. Heart, no, in the bed. Break you in, then. Yeah, this every day. Got my heart, no. Heart, no, in the bed. Break you in, then. Yeah, this every day. This sound like Argentina. Had to fix my demeanor. No, they don't want me breathing. Still I rose like Gandhi. Got on 3 Jesus pieces, looking like Jay-Z and Yeezy. So far from conceited, but how can I be defeated? I hate to turn my wrist on like I'm Ben 10. Rappers think they doing something, I'm not a fan. I told my dad today, he said it's all pretend. I got back in my bed, now I got no friends.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars when I copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars when I copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars when I copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars when I copy my steel. Got my heart, no.
Heart, no, in the bed. Break you in, then. Yeah, this every day. Got my heart, no. Heart, no, in the bed. Break you in, then. Yeah, this every day.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real.
Ladies, you know, it's a very hard thing to do.
Y'all came, like I said, I honestly thought it was going to be about 10 people.
At what they do, and they do not mind helping you. And that's what I love.
Plastic bars when I copy my steel.